Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is a posture which involves the whole body, and this asana is also known as shoulder stand. Before moving to the asana practice, let us see a few contraindications of this pose. If you have any injury at the neck, shoulder, should avoid practicing, and people who are suffering from high blood pressure should avoid. Let us see how to perform this asana. Lie down on your back complete. Now slowly bend your both legs. Lift your both legs up 90 degrees. From here, lift your hips up. Take the support, your hands at the back side, near to the low back. Adjust the hands properly. From here, bend your both legs. Try to push your hip as much as possible. Raise your chest. Try to touch your chin to the chest and stay here. Try to practice like this for few days. Now slowly bring your knees towards the chest. Now slowly release slowly and relax. The position of the hands, make sure do not turn your palms like this towards your body. The palm should be resting on the back of the muscles. The elbows should be closer towards each other. Do not open your hands too much wide or do not close your hands towards each other. Make sure it should be in line with your shoulders like this. This is the position of the hands. If you are struggling to lift the legs, you can practice with the support of the wall like this. Now let us try to lift the both legs up to the final position. Same way, lie down on your back. Lift your both legs up. Swing your legs back. Take the support of the both hands on the back side. Push your chest from your both hands. Now try to lift your both legs up as much as possible. Stretch your toes, stretch the knees and stay here. Now bend your both legs. Slowly drop your hips down carefully and slowly relax. Benefits of Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is the mother of all asana, along with the queen of all asana. Shoulder stand posture helps in nourishing and protect the entire body, just like a mother would do for her kid. And it also improves the blood supply to the brain, though helps to prevent the hair loss and improve the hair growth, stimulate the thyroid hormones and helps in relieving the improving of asthma with the practice. Do not strain your body by holding the final position for a long time. By intense practice, increase the duration gradually. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of Sarvangasana. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.